Hey guys, a warm welcome to our channel. Today we're taking a look at the stylish and compact Bella 2-slice slim toaster. Fits anywhere kitchenware. If you have a small kitchen, dorm, or apartment and want a toaster that saves space without sacrificing performance, this one is definitely worth checking out. One of the biggest highlights is the ultra-slim design, measuring only about 3.5 inches wide, so it fits easily on tight countertops without cluttering your kitchen. Instead of two separate slots, it features a single 10-inch long slot that can toast 2 slices side by side or handle thicker breads like sourdough, bagels, baguettes, and Texas-style toast without squeezing them in. You also get 6 shade control settings, allowing you to customize the browning level from lightly golden to dark and crispy. Plus, convenient reheat and cancel buttons make it easy to adjust your toast anytime. For safety and ease of use, the toaster includes anti-jam protection and automatic shutoff, along with a high-lift lever that helps you safely remove smaller pieces without burning your fingers. Cleaning is simple too, thanks to the removable crumb tray, which slides out so you can quickly keep your countertop tidy after breakfast. Overall, the Bella 2-slice slim toaster is a smart, space-saving kitchen appliance with practical features, making it perfect for small kitchens while still delivering reliable, everyday toasting. If you want to grab it for the best price, make sure to click the link below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.